Okay, guys, so I am going to show you what a voice crack sounds like. Now, I know some of you already know what a voice crack sounds like, but for those of you who don't know what a voice crack is, I'm going to show you right now. So, it sounds like this. So, here we go. So, yeah. So that is what a voice crack sounds like. It might not be what a voice crack sounds like, but I don't know what a voice crack sounds like, but it may be that I just did. But yeah, I mean, I guess that's the end of the video. So, bye.